Welcome back, guys, to another unboxing video. It's basically a part 2, but it's another item, so I'll call it keyboard unboxing. Alright, so I'm gonna unbox this keyboard. It's a SteelSeries Apex M500 and blue LEDs, MX Red, Cherry MX Red switches. Let's get started. So here we have tape here. Got it? I just went through it, okay? So we unbox. What's this? Oh my god, there's 3 more tapes. I can't do this one-handed.
Find your way through this noise. You're the defender of your heart's one true voice. So understand.
Alright, so it's open.
No one knows there.
Alright, we have this keyboard here. As I said, like a lot of times already, it's packaging. Alright, so I'm just gonna take it out. Unlike the mouse. The mouse had no packaging. Well, no bag, it's only plastic, so I don't know if that's good or bad, maybe it's good. Oh my god, the texture on this is very good. Sadly, no braided cable, but whatever. Because it's hidden anyways, not like a mouse. So we took it out. The wires coming with it. Key. Quick start menu, just throw it away. There it is. Take off the cardboard. Wires right here. Put it through. Done. Key. Cardboard. Nothing else under. Easy as pie. I think that's how I'll close this. So, yeah. Wow. Alright, let's just put this aside. Alright, we're back to the keyboard. As you can see, guys. This is the reason why I have another angle. Because it's so shaky. Alright, so all the bag scissors, we need anymore. Okay, so we're just gonna do tests. Unfortunately, you can't see LEDs. Okay. So this Cherry MX is red. So, alright, let's see. So, on the back, we have kickstands as usual. Wires here. Three stands, plastic. Oops. Okay, kickstands off now. Okay. Okay. So it feels very good. It's not metallic, but not a little matte also. Okay. So here it is. So we're going to do test sound now. Sound test. Oh, whoops. These are different keys, like normal keys. Oh, okay. Normal keys. Tab, shift is different sound. God damn it, I can't hear it. Space is a different sound too. Escape, backspace, different. Enter, shift, different. And okay, these keys are really light. Enter, different. Okay, yep, the sound test. And I'm gonna compare my old keyboard, or not old, still good, Mad Catz. So here we go. This is Cherry MX Brown, by the way. Okay, here. Space, yep. Enter key. These are all different. I have macros on this keyboard, and my PC's running now, so yeah. And hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, please hit a thumbs up, leave a thumbs up, and if you're not, I don't know, and please subscribe for more videos and more content. See you guys next time. Peace out.